Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 4 repair options for a leaking metal roof. Talk about a commercial metal roof. It might be leaking, maybe really old, and you want to know the best way to get it done so you can continue doing what you're doing in your building. The first option is to repair and replace screws and fasteners. It's really not a cost-effective solution, but I mean, fasteners back out, screws back out, lets water in. You can look at and see which ones look a little messed up and replace those to see what's working, but not very cost-effective. I mean, I guess there's not a lot of payment with that, but does it take you forever to look at all these screws and fasteners? I mean, I've seen metal roofs before. There's a screw every foot on this thing. It would take you forever, so not really a great option, but I mean, it is an option. Number 2 is to remove and replace the entire roof. You can certainly hire someone to rip all those panels off, transport it to a landfill, pay the landfill cost, which is going to be crazy expensive, and then put a new metal roof on there. I think metal roof is the most expensive commercial roofing system to install per square foot, plus all the time to take it off and all the landfill costs. I mean, it's a repair option, but not very cost effective. I would definitely keep listening and listen to the other options I have going on. Number 3 is to install a roof coating system. Definitely going to be your most cost effective solution. If the roof's in pretty good shape, you can do some reinforcements to the seams on the metal roof with some polyester mesh, roll the coating into it, and then do coating over the entire roof. If you're not concerned with R value and the roof's in pretty good shape, definitely a coating system is the best way. You don't have to remove the entire metal roof. You don't have to remove any of it actually. Just make sure the coating is working and adhere to the metal roof correctly, and just install it on there and done deal, and you got a warranty. And the 4th option is to install a spray foam roofing system. Again, leave the metal roof in place, just remove and replace the areas that are really damaged, and then clean the roof and spray foam over top of it. If you have any issues with sloping, you need any R value, any of those concerns, I would definitely lean towards spray foam than coating, because coating doesn't increase R value at all, spray foam does. But definitely, whatever you can do to not remove and replace any roofing, let alone a metal roof, but any roof, if you just go over top of what you already have, you're going to save yourself a bunch of money. But that's really it for today. If you want to learn more about any of these 4 points here, there's a link to the blog post in the description. But I hope you took away at least one thing new today, and see you next time. Thank you.